Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey everyone, today let's do this pretty pink designer party silk thread jhumkas. So let's get started. Firstly, take a silk thread and wrap around the lid. Wrap it about 25 times. Now cut it in the center and glue both the ends. Now take a size 1 jhumka and glue one end to it. Let it dry for some time and start wrapping the silk thread to the jhumka. I made a complete tutorial about wrapping the jhumka. So do check out the video, the link is in the description box. This is how it looks. Now take a needle and glue one end to the jhumka. Now start inserting the stone balls into the needle and attach it to the jhumka. And apply glue to it. Leave some space apart and start attaching the rest of the stones. This is how it looks. Now take a pin and insert it into the jhumka. Put a stone ball into it. And using the pliers, bend the end and insert a stud into it and lock the end with the plier. That's it, you're done. Your pretty pink studded earring is ready to wear. They're perfect for traditional wear and they look so pretty. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And do watch other videos as well. I make a lot of DIY videos and let's make it to 1K subscribers. And love you guys and happy crafting and meet you in my next video.